Welcome back to the Frugal Prof channel on YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, definitely like it below and subscribe to the channel. So this is going to be a little different video than normal. I put together some numbers on how you can make $52,000 a year, $1,000 a week on eBay. That's kind of what I've been focusing on lately as a side hustle. And I've been doing really well, and you've seen the videos. There's a couple other videos you can check out to learn about what's selling and how I'm making money and how it's progressing. So what I put together was, okay, if I started focusing on this more, how could I make more money? Instead of watching Netflix, instead of being on social media, if I converted some of that time into looking for items to sell, selling items, and listing items, where could that take me in terms of numbers? So this is what I came up with, and it's basically if I or you went out 5 days a week, found 20 items per day to sell, and that would come up with 100 items a week at $10 profit, that's $1,000 profit per week, and that gets you to about $52,000 a year. Now you're saying, that's tough to do, $10 in profit, that's a lot of really good items, and I totally agree with you. It's not easy. It takes some effort. You'd have to go to a number of places: Goodwill, Salvation Army, home. You can do retail arbitrage, Home Depot, Lowe's, some of those places, Bed Bath & Beyond, Ross stores. It takes some hustle. But you can't argue with the numbers, because the numbers are the numbers. And this includes only doing it 5 days a week, because I want it to be at a point where you could work hard, hustle hard, make money, but have a couple days off so you wouldn't get burned out. That's kind of where I was coming from. So, you can basically manipulate the numbers any way you want. You could do it 7 days a week, and in that case you really would only need about 15 items per day, let's say, and you'd still be around the same numbers. So, it really comes down to what you're focusing on, where you're giving your energy, where you're giving your time. And if you want to give up some of the things that you're spending time on, like YouTube and social media and Netflix, you can really make some good money on the side. So that's really what I was coming down. Wanted to share that with you. That's really my message for today. And if you like this video, definitely like it and subscribe, because I want to keep these videos coming. And there'll be more coming soon. So thanks again.